How to use TikTok photo mode. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the TikTok application on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. Now generally to use the TikTok photo mode, tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. As you tap on the plus icon, it will take us to this new page where you'll be able to click pictures or shoot videos over here. So earlier you'd only get the video options, but now we get the access to photo as well. So let's check that. And here you can see the option of photo. So you can click videos with 15 seconds, 60 seconds. With photo, you can just click a picture and then tap on it. So let's click a random picture. And as you click a picture over here, what you simply need to do is you can add songs, you can edit, you can add filters, you can add different effects and then post it on your TikTok. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.